Hi, parents. I'm Marissa Marcial. I am your teacher. I'm your students' reading teacher. I wanted to take the time to explain to you reading scores because I know that it can be a little difficult, especially like if you just know the number, you're like, okay, what does this mean? So if you're confused about reading scores, I'm going to go into a little bit of showing you what it means. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you what we have here. So what we have is kinder, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay. Then we have beginning of the year. This is what their levels should be. The middle of the year and the end of the year of what their levels should be. And I will post this for you. But second grade at the beginning of the year, they should be at a 20. So right now your student should be at a 20. If your child is not at a 20, please do not fret. We understand that, they abruptly left last year. And we're really trying to pick up the pieces. But I did want to just give you what is the expectation, but just know that we are aware of what's happening and what has happened, and we are trying our best to really get them to comprehend well and things like that. That is the main important part. I did want to show you what a level 20 looks like as far as a book. So this is a fiction. This is kind of like what it looks like. These are the words, things like that. That's what a level 20 looks like. And this is nonfiction. These are the words. So it does, if you're thinking, wow, like my child could never read that, that is totally fine. Every child is at a different rate, and the expectation is 20, but we are aware of not everyone is going to be at a 20. And I just wanted to explain that to you, and so you can kind of get a feel. Let's just say your child is at a 12. I want you to know what that represents. So the 1 represents first grade, the 2 would represent the second month. Okay, so it goes on and on and on. So let's just say you're 20, right? So that represents second grade, 0 months. So it's just at the beginning. So if your child is at a 14, it's first grade, 4th month. Okay, your child is at a 10, first grade, 0 month, just the beginning of first grade. And so forth. 28, second grade, 8th month, things like that. So that is how we break them down. Remember, the 1 just represents the grade, and then the second one represents the month. So 13, 14, or let's just say an 18, that's first grade. 8th month, that's gearing towards the end of first grade. But I hope that this gives you some clarification. There are more things that we get about 3 scores when we're doing their reading score. I'd be more than happy to answer those questions about your student. But any guided reading questions or reading levels, those questions can be directed to me just because I specialize and I'm the only one who teaches reading, even though Miss Autry and Miss Mackey are testing and things like that. They're testing, but all those questions are going to be best directed towards me. I hope this brings some clarification. Please don't stress about this. Just know that we're trying our best and we will get through this together. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.